Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in the middle of 2 hospitals today, back and forth, and I decided to stop for lunch. And since a lot of you were asking me about the salad that I had the other day that I posted in the group, I decided to get one again today and like really kind of show you. So this time though, I decided to get a half salad because the last time I bought this, it was the full version and it was so much salad that I was like literally I couldn't even breathe after I ate it. It was that big. So I got what they call a half size, which is a pretty big size. Here's my hand, so there you go. So it's a half size and it's called the Southwest Avocado Salad and it is delicious. I love this, especially for keto. I'm going to tell you why in a minute. But this is the dressing. It's called Southwest Ranch, and I'm going to read you the macros because that's really important. This entire pouch is 80 calories. It has 8 grams of fat, 180 milligrams of sodium, 2 carbs, and 1 sugar. Now, in this dressing, there is soybean oil, apple cider vinegar, buttermilk, lime juice, distilled vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, egg, chili powder, salt, pepper, spices, cumin, chipotle, smoke flavor. So I mean, aside from the soybean oil, there's really nothing too bad in here. And it is such a tiny amount. The amount in here is 1.1 ounces. I use half, so it's nominal, guys. And I'm gonna show you the salad. Give me 1 second to pull it out of this bag. My straw. Got a Diet Coke. Because I like Diet Coke, and every now and then I treat myself to one, and I know that it has Splenda in it, but I don't mind it once in a while. I don't do it every day. Okay, so here it is. So I'm gonna open it up, and I hope I don't spill it all over the inside of my car. All right, we did okay. So as you can see, there's a lot of salad in here. We've got mixed greens, which is nice instead of your typical romaine or whatnot. There is half a chicken breast in here because it's half size. We have a little bit of bacon on top and 1 little scoop of avocado, and this is pepper jack cheese. There's a tiny bit of tomato in there. So this is such a great salad for keto. According to their nutritional information, there's 300 calories to 1 salad, this whole big thing. So it makes a phenomenal, and I love that word, phenomenal lunch. So that's going to be my lunch. I did not have breakfast, and right now it is almost 20 to 12. So what I'm going to do is just sit here and drink my soda for a few minutes and then eat my salad. So still doing the intermittent fasting. I do want to show you what I have also. Hold on, guys. Digging in my work bag here. I brought one of these for later. These are those Kirkland bars that I have been raving about, guys. If you haven't gotten a chance to try them, please do. They are so delicious. 1 gram of sugar, 3 net carbs, 21 grams of protein, and 15 grams of fiber. And in this bar, there's 190 calories and 7 grams of fat, guys, and 2.5 grams of saturated fat. It's sweetened with erythritol and stevia. So this is perfect for keto, and I love this. This comes in a box. I showed it in one of my grocery hauls. With another flavor, it's chocolate brownie. I'm not a big fan of the brownie. I love this chocolate chip cookie dough, and I put this on a plate. Somebody recommended it. I put it on a plate. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. That's it, 30 seconds. And it expands and literally makes a chocolate chip cookie. Like the kind that's warm and comes right out of your oven. Yeah, this stuff. You have to try it. It's amazing. So what else do I want to fill you in on? The gym has been going great. My lifts are still nice and strong. So I'm excited about that. I do notice that I'm getting hungrier though. I don't know why. I don't know if it's correlated to the intermittent fasting or what, but I am getting ready to train. And I'm sorry I'm leaning forward. I just feel like this stupid steering wheel is in the way. Getting ready to train for another 5K. Super excited about that. So I am going to be upping the cardio, obviously. Trying to do the distance running and get prepared. So I might try, you know, there's so many 5Ks coming up because in the area that I live, it's springtime. And 5Ks come around so often in the spring. And I really don't want to do any in the summertime because I just think it's too hot. And I know myself, I will be roasting. So I like to do spring, fall, like that kind of thing. So yeah, so I'm going to be starting that today. So getting on the running shoes, and I will bet to say that the amount of leg workouts that I've been doing have really helped with the running. And so I had to move my camera because the sunlight was starting to come in from back here and I was totally washed out. So I hope you can see me a little bit better now. But anyway, I was talking about my knee, so I'm hoping, oh no, I was talking about calories. So I don't know if I'm going to have to increase calories. I really don't want to do that because I'm still in that leaning out phase, and I'm at a standstill right now. I'm not losing anything or gaining anything for the last 2 weeks. I'm kind of like, so hoping that this added cardio is going to help. We'll see what happens, guys. But yeah, I'm really excited. The warm weather is upon us, and because of that, I just want to be outside all the time. I don't like to be stuck indoors, and I am itching to get outside. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start running outside. I'm going to still maintain my workouts in the gym and see how that goes. So that's the scoop. I hope you're all doing well. This sweater I'm wearing today is from Target. It's a nice loose one, but what I want to show you are the sleeves. Check this out. It has the hole at the elbow. It's the only way I can show it to you guys. It has a hole at the elbow instead of up here. How cool is this? This sweater, nice and loose, and it has on the other side, let me see if I can show you the other side. There it is. Oh yeah. So when you bend your elbow, well, when you bend your elbow, you got the hole there, the cold elbow instead of the cold shoulder. Very cool. And I'm wearing this in a size small. It's a very loose fitting sweater. So this is a small. I probably could have gotten away with the extra small, but I don't know. There's something about a tight sweater that I'm not a big fan of. I'm getting washed out again. And I'm wearing the Ardell. These are not the Wispies today. These were the Ardell Volume Lash. Can you see them? I don't know. I hope so. They're very cool. I'm really getting into these lashes, guys, because I don't have to curl them and put a ton of mascara on. You just glue them on in the morning and go. It's so easy. And the guy next to me is watching me talk, and he's looking a little like, who are you talking to? I don't care though. And if you have a chance to check out this salad from Wendy's that I'm about to dive into right now, check it out. And enjoy your life and enjoy your day. And if you do happen to have a little bit of Splenda in your life, like I just did, don't kill yourself over it. You know why? Because you got to enjoy your life. That's not going to kick me out of ketosis. Is it the best thing for me? No. But breathing the air that we have in our world isn't the best thing either. So with that, I hope you all stay focused. Have a great day. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.